And I said, well, if you're experiencing all those things, stomach ache, racing heart, feeling annoyed, dizzy, headache, how do you think that makes you behave? And she said, well, sometimes I feel scared. Sometimes I avoid things. Sometimes I'm so scared that I do whatever I'm told to do. And she said I can become, so I said to her, that is over compliance. Um, and we see this a lot, that's masking. My daughter, by the way, is neurotypical. So these conversations are quite easy to have with her. She's a real talker like a mum. Um, but also other things as well. So that's where her sort of experience came to an end. But I know from the work that I do, from the experience of my other children, there are other things as well that come out when children and adults are feeling anxious. So the overcompliance is a huge, huge distress sign, as is manipulation or trying to control situations. Now,